Hello, welcome to my Son de Framp. Thank you for joining me today. Today is another recipe video where I'm going to be sharing my favorite childhood treat, enchiladas. Yes, again. And I have so many enchiladas recipes, but today is a special one that I'm going to try. And this is Cincinnati style chili enchiladas, chili cheese enchiladas. And so I'm really excited to get into this. So let's get started. The first thing you need is, the ingredients are corn tortillas. I have cinnamon toast crunch, cinnamon spread. I have Nestle Toll House cocoa. I have 5 spice powder. This is Chinese spice, Chinese food spice, you know. This is Cup Cotija cheese. It's grated cheese. It's like Parmesan. And I have here squeezed cheese, a packet of squeezed cheese. So for the main ingredients, of course, this is Wolf brand Texas style chili with beans. And I also have ranch style beans. And so I'm trying to make the most of what I have. And of course, you know, the best way I knew to do it was to buy it already made, buy some beans already made, and try to put this together. So what I'm gonna do is put some oil in the pan. I have this pan here ready, and I'm just gonna put some oil in the pan to make sure they don't stick to the bottom, and just give that a spin. Make sure you get all the corners, that way it doesn't stick. You can see the chili looks like that. And here's the ranch style beans. This tends to be liquidy, so try to keep it level on a flat surface. And then I like to leave a little space so the lid doesn't go flying everywhere. Boom, this is what they look like. And we'll put that there, and I'll get started on these tortillas. Kind of scared of it splashing on me, so let's see if I can do one at a time, maybe. It's bubbling up. So, and put another one in and keep going. So I'm just doing the last one now. So let me get this one out and do the last one. It takes about a few minutes to do them, but you want to get them in the oil on both sides. As soon as it starts warming up, I feel like when you have enough oil in the pan, it will automatically start cooking them and making them tough enough to handle. So I think a lot of times we mess up because the pan's not hot enough. Let's put the chili in there. Put all of the chili to start warming up. We'll get the beans in too. And I will start adding the seasoning. So here's the 5 spice. This is Asian spice. I'm just gonna add it to taste. That looks good. I'm just gonna add a pinch more, about 1.5 teaspoons, and then I'll move on to the spread, the cinnamon spread. So let's see. It smells good. This is what it looks like inside. So I'm just gonna put some of this in. Yeah. Put that much in there. It looks like peanut butter, right? It looks like sunflower butter. Does it say brown sugar, canola oil, milk, cinnamon, natural flavor, and salt. And of course, chocolate. This is cacao powder. And here's that, just chocolate. And I'll just sprinkle that in there to taste. It's about 1 tablespoon. That looks good for now, and I will give that a stir. Let's see. See how the chocolate's still kind of overloaded this pan. See how the cinnamon is still melting. So I'll just give that a little bit of time to start melting. Clean up my work area. Ooh. Let's see. That looks good. This looks fine. As long as you get it all warmed up, get it all incorporated, you can start stuffing your enchiladas, and we'll do just that. I just opened my cheese, and here's what cheese looks like inside. It's just literally squeezed cheese, and I'm gonna stuff these tortillas with the cheese and the chili. I'm just gonna put some of the chili and some of the cheese in, so each one gets some cheese. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just spread some cheese in there, and then we'll do the chili. Spread some cheese. So then you can go ahead and fill each one with the chili. I'll do that. Making sure it's all fair. Okay, and I'd probably put like 3 tablespoons in there, and probably more chili than the liquid, but you know, it's perfect. And just fold them over and flip them on the side because we want them seam side down. And you know, like I said, try to get the chili in this liquid, then just fold them and put them seam side down. This is kind of hot, so you might want to be careful. And more. So then we're gonna get some cheese and spread it on top of that. Just spread it. If you get a little hole, just cover it. You can cover it with cheese or chili, whatever you want. Just try to cover it, that way it doesn't spill out. Let's see if I can do it in a easier way where this way it's more direct than making a huge mess. So this is good. You want to cover all the enchiladas with the chili and the tortilla, cover it all the way to the bottom. That way it won't be dry. And let's see if I can pour this in like so. And then I'll bake it. I'll bake it for about probably 30 minutes, and put this cheese on the top. This is cotija cheese, so this will give it a good flavor. That looks good. I'll put it in and we'll be back. Here we are. Let's see how we did. And they look really good. Let's see if I can cut a piece in here. Make sure I get all the sides cut because I don't like making a mess here, although it's kind of messy. Enchiladas are kind of messy to begin with, so here we go. And that's what I have. Delicious. Okay. See the tortilla, the cheese coming out. Really good, really yummy. It's actually piping hot, so just to be careful. Let's try it. So good. It almost tastes like if I made that chili from home and I didn't. Oh my goodness, this chili is super good. I'm gonna go enjoy this off camera. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below. And thank you for once again joining me for a recipe video. This is Cincinnati style chili stuffed enchiladas, chili cheese enchiladas. Watch all my videos, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye bye.